One of the biggest accounting firms in the world is tapping Polkadot ecosystem's Kilt blockchain for digital shipping logistics. And so in this video, we're going to look at how and why the shipping giant Hapag-Lloyd will be the first to implement Deloitte's KYX, or Know Your Client and Know Your Cargo system. Today's episode is sponsored by Cake Wallet, where you can send, receive, and even exchange your crypto right from within the wallet. Cake Wallet is open source and non-custodial, so you control your own private keys. Available today on iOS, macOS, Android, and Linux. And StealthEX, a privacy-centric crypto exchange which enables you to make crypto-to-crypto exchanges anonymously. Good evening everybody, and a warm welcome again back to the latest episode of Enter Crypto with me, Chris Kenyon. Now today we're going to be talking about Polkadot. It's not very often I talk about individual cryptocurrencies, but this is a great protocol, and it's managed to, well, one of its parachains called Kilt has managed to team up with Deloitte. And Deloitte is a massive company. So as always, let's quickly read through this article and then we'll comment after. So a division of professional services firm Deloitte, one of the big four accounting firms, will use the Polkadot-based Kilt blockchain to offer logistics and supply chain services focused on the shipping industry. Ingo Rube, founder of the Kilt protocol, told CoinDesk in a fireside chat at the India Blockchain Week conference that Deloitte is working with Nexiot, a supply chain technology company, to offer a new type of logistics service called KYX. KYX is a combination of Know Your Client, or Know Your Customer, and Know Your Cargo, two processes that identify and verify the client's identity and their shipped goods respectively. And this system is built on the Kilt network. Using decentralized and open source solutions built on Kilt, any entity could create a service built on a blockchain without having to deal with crypto or needing blockchain experience, Rube said in a statement. Kilt protocol's native Kilt, ticker KILT, tokens are up 2.5% in the past 24 hours, data shows, and shipping giant Hapag-Lloyd will be the first to implement KYX, followed by telecommunications giant Vodafone. And Hapag-Lloyd is said to be equipping some 1.5 million containers with devices that can be tracked to show that they are secure and have not been opened. Computer giant IBM previously undertook a project to improve supply chain services in shipping using blockchain technology. And IBM combined with shipping giant Maersk to form TradeLens in 2018, but shut it down in November 2022 due to a lack of commercial take-up. Where the closing down of TradeLens coincided with the depths of the bear market, occurring the same month as FTX's collapse, such enterprise projects may now start to emerge again as the crypto and blockchain industry appears to be entering its next bull run. And this is one of the main use cases for crypto, actually. A lot of people, or certainly newcomers to crypto, think it's all about currency and payments, and actually when you get into it, you know, protocols like Polkadot, Cardano, Algorand and these other ones, even Ethereum, actually you can use them for everything that's can be tokenized, and a shipping container can be tokenized by assigning it to, you know, or assigning an NFT to a shipping container, and you'll be able to track that NFT everywhere it goes. And you can do it for, I mean, they're going to use it for shipping containers in this particular instance, but you could do it for everything. So for every single time, let's say you buy a chicken in the supermarket, you'll be able to see, and just by scanning a QR code, the journey of this particular chicken, you'll be able to see what farm it came from, what county, what country, where it's, you know, who its owner was, what it was fed on. You'll be able to know all kinds of things, and it'll make tracking and tracing things much easier. And you'll literally just scan a QR code and it'll bring up all the information for you for that particular product, that particular actual pack, not the product in general, but that pack that you're gonna buy. It can also be used as proof of ownership. So if you've got a particular pair of Nike trainers that are limited edition or something like that, you know, some people like to collect trainers or baseball cards, you can assign an NFT to that, and so the owner always has the NFT and the card, and it proves ownership, and it proves that that it is what it is, and that it's not a fake. And so that's also has massive value. So NFTs and tokenization, tokenization is coming. You know, we can tokenize properties, and so now you can say that the legal rights, whoever has the NFT is now the legal owner of that property. So it can be kind of a representation of that house, or the legal rights to owning that house. And so there's so much more than just a currency, just cryptocurrencies, they are so much more. We just call them cryptocurrencies because that's how they started off, and that's what Bitcoin is really. But when you really go down the rabbit hole, you realise how deep it is and how vast, and there's just tokenization alone is just going to revolutionise in my opinion, it's going to revolutionise how we do everything. It's going to be almost as big as like the internet was. And there would be far too much to talk about in just this video. But Polkadot is spearheading this. They are really going out there. They're looking for businesses constantly to work with. They're really active. They have the daily, they are the most active daily developers. They're uploading every single day a huge amount of commits on GitHub. They've got a canary network as well called Kusama. And Polkadot's founder is actually one of the guys, Dr. Gavin Wood, that founded Ethereum. So he knows his stuff. He actually wrote Solidity. And so, there's masses we could talk about in this video. And if anyone's interested in me diving any deeper into this, we'll do a Polkadot specific video if you want. I'll make it longer. Let me know in the comments below. So that's the article for today, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you all tomorrow evening. Take care.